Automatic post promotion, available in Hootsuite Ads, lets you create intelligent filters that can automatically boost your top-performing organic content. To create an automatic post-promotion campaign, select New Campaign. From here, you can create a new campaign based on a previously built one, or build one from scratch. The easiest way to get started is to pick automatic post-promotion from popular campaign types. Or, if you prefer to manually select your campaign focus, scroll down and select either Page Post to promote posts on a Facebook page, or Place Post to promote a page with a physical location. More specific parameters can be set during the ads design step. Pick the Facebook page you're promoting and make sure to select Automatically Promote instead of Promote Specific Posts. Next, set the parameters for your automatically promoted posts. Begin with the types of posts you'd like to promote. Next, determine how many days you want your post to be promoted for. 1 to 3 days is usually sufficient, but you can always promote content for longer if needed. You can promote posts with links that contain a specific word, like your company's URL, as well as posts with specific keywords in their text, like sale or limited time. You can also control the amount of engagement a post needs before it gets promoted. It's a best practice to only promote content that's already performing well organically. For example, some organizations may only boost posts with 50 shares or 100 likes. You can also choose to only promote posts you've created with Hootsuite. Your filters need to be validated to make sure there are available posts that fit your criteria. Once validated, preview what your promoted posts will look like and select where they'll be placed. To finish setting up promoted posts, continue with tracking, audience, and budget, just as you would with any other ad. If you need to make adjustments once your campaign is running, navigate to your campaign and scroll down to Campaign Details. Here, you can make adjustments to the dates, budget, and other details of your automatic post-promotion campaign.